Ontology, the first question of being. Before language was born, before words shaped thought, there was one question echoing in the silence of existence. Why is there something rather than nothing? That is the origin of philosophy, the first spark of wonder that gave birth to thought itself. This is ontology, the philosophy of being. Since the dawn of time, humanity has tried to understand what it means to be. Parmenides said, "Being is, and non-being is not." Plato believed truth lives in the world of ideas, not in the shadows we see on the cave's wall. Aristotle searched for the essence of things, the reason why something is what it is. Then came Descartes, who declared, "I think, therefore I am." But Heidegger turned the question upside down and asked, not what is being, but what does it mean to be? Ontology is not just a study of things, but a reflection of ourselves, our presence, our relation to the world. We do not merely live in time. Time lives within us. We do not stand in space. Space is born through our awareness of it. Everything we see, everything we love, everything we fear, is part of the same great riddle, the riddle of being. Ontology teaches us that being is not solid. It is fragile, shifting, shaped by how we see it. What we call truth may be only a ray of light through a single window, and what we call the self is a question still unfolding. When we look up at the universe, we realize we are not apart from it. We are a thread in its infinite fabric. We are the observer and the observed, the question and the answer at once. And perhaps this is the secret of ontology. That being is not something outside us, but something we are. It exists through our awareness, through our act of wonder. In the end, perhaps we can never define what being truly is, but we can feel it in every heartbeat, in every breath of silence, in every unanswered question that keeps us alive. Ontology does not ask us to understand, but to wonder, to listen to the silence of existence, and remember that we are not just passing through the universe. The universe is discovering itself through us. Perhaps being cannot be defined, only lived.